So here we are in our new New York office.
Yay.
The New York hub. And here's Nomi building one of our awesome desks. Nomi, how's it going?
It's slow, but it's going great.
Yeah.
Thanks, IKEA.
We're making a plug for IKEA. This is our commercial. So we'll take the before and after. Nomi and Nate already set up one of our desks in the corner over there, and a couple of chairs. Here are the boxes to be built. This is Shelby's handiwork is this table right here, which actually expands out. It's pretty awesome. We'll show you how that works later. We have some foliage in the corner to make it look a little bit more alive, if you will. And here's our view.
It's beautiful.
Upper West Side. Beautiful fall day. This will be our neighborhood. And
Yay.
that's about it for now. We're excited to be here.
New York headquarters.
New York headquarters. Stay tuned for the final product.